Hi, Jeff Cox here with Right Now Heating and Air Conditioning. For your protection, our technicians are thoroughly trained on coronavirus protocol. Our technicians are fully equipped with protective shoe covers, gloves, goggles, and masks upon request. You may be spending a lot more time at home for the next few months, so be prepared. We want to encourage you and make sure you are safe. To protect your heating and air conditioning system, ask about our no-touch service. It's virtual safety for you. Call 585-5868 and remember, we're all in this together.